Volvo EX30 review from 32,850 euro. Volvo moves on market needs smaller to bring in younger, climate conscious buyers. Volvo is aiming for a change of gear on its path towards electrification with this week's road test subject. The Volvo EX30 is a smaller car that its shape can have a big impact on Gothenburg's sales mix. Makes its maker is already aiming for half of its global sales and to be of all electric models by 2025 and to be selling BEVs exclusively by 2030. In order to hit those marks, however, Volvo needs affordable electric models like this, but moreover, it needs people to buy them in greater numbers than they are currently. You wonder, in fact, if and when brands like Volvo might start rolling back on, or at least tempering slightly ambitious electrification claims like these. The penetration of EVs in many Western markets, including the UK, is stuck at between 15% and 25%, and not for the want of increasing number of more affordable all electric options. So the commercial challenge facing this car looks significant for the next couple of thousand words. However, we will concern ourselves with the Volvo EX30 is the kind of electric car that deserve to drive adoption and ultimately to succeed in the first place. It is the first of a new breed of Volvos for more reason than one, not just because it is the seamless in decades since the Volvo DAF 300 series of the 1970s, in fact, nor because it is the first Volvo designed exclusively for electric power, not continuing counting the XC40 dubbed C40 crossover coupe, but also because it's based on an all-new platform developed fully in the firm's current greatly controlled corporate area. Buyers of this car will be Volvo's very youngest, claims the company, and 3 out of 4 will never have considered a Volvo before. Range a glance version: single motor plus, single motor extend, regulars, twin motor preferences plus. The EX30 model range runs from a little under 34 euro k to a little over 44 euro k before options. The car can be had with a 51 kWh or 69 kWh drive battery and either one primary rear mounted driver motor on a or one per axle. Volvo offers 2D spec models trims Wolf Plus and Ultra. On a mid-level single motor car, the firm comes with 11K WAC charging, 19 in alloy wheels and manual seat adjustment. Stumping up for the latter gets you 22K W 3-phase charging potential, 20 in wheels, a panoramic glass roof and electric seat adjustment. Design and styling pros: attractive, technically quite sophisticated for the money, looks expensive but not aggressive. Bones no particular off-roading ability.